Hi, I'm Chef Kamba. Now I'm going to teach you the basics of skateboarding. Now, just give me a few minutes. I'll just go down these stairs. Hold on. Okay, now let's just walk outside. It's a lovely day out for skateboarding. Okay, we're outside, and I'm just gonna show you a few tricks that I can do. Oh! Hi, Chef Combo here. Just still waiting, still trying to ride my board. And I'm gonna teach you how to wall ride. Here it goes. That hurt a little bit. Hit my nostrils, but I'm okay. Let's head over to the grind rail. Okay, now I'm out near the grind rail. Now it's all just do a few tricks on it. I call this one the front side board. Here we go. I didn't really make it on the rail, but I think you get the point. Okay, I call this one the ollie. Well, hope you had a good time with me, Chef Kama. I'll see you later.